micro tutorial, you will learn how to complete and submit a project progress update form. First step is to create the form itself. From your left-hand navigation menu, select the Forms icon. Go to the green button with the white plus to add a new form. Select the form type from the drop-down, which is Project Progress Update, and click Create. Step 2 is to actually fill out the data in the form. Click on Fill Out Form in the report cart. When the form page opens up, there are two fields that are required. You have to select the month and the year that you estimate your project will be complete, and there is a space for notes if you want to add any additional details. Now, click Save. You can close that PDF and you can return to Fieldbook, where you will now click the Submit button and approve. The project engineer both submits and approves, and there's no further higher level approval required. You can now dismiss the form. You're done.